Yo, peeps. So it's very late. I'm delirious, as you can see by my intro. We are going to be getting into a quick video now because I'm actually very tired for some weird reason. And the first video, I started getting very tired near the end. So we're going to be looking at 8 shocking and disturbing doorbell camera moments. Creepy Cam by Creepy Cam. Yeah, only 8 minutes long. Let's get right into the video.
Shocking clip, captured in broad daylight as a brave homeowner fearlessly confronts a home intruder who broke into their residence. With remarkable courage, the homeowner defends their property, pushing the intruder out and compelling them to flee.
Was that a gun?
This is for you.
The fuck?
In the cloak of night, a woman
Listen,
boldly
that was
approaches.
so weird. Like, legit, that was like, I don't get it. Why did he just stop? What did the guy do? This is what happened. This is for you. Don't know why you're opening your door. You're supposed to have a gate, and if you don't have a gate, you don't open your door unless you know who it is. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing. Okay, so he opened. As he opened, the guy he could see the guy was reaching for a gun, so he pushed him. Okay, now I've pushed you. Okay, you fall back. You've got a gun. Look, you point him back and come back to him, don't you? I don't want that to happen. I'm very glad what happened. But, like, why didn't he just try and attack again? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. But, awesome, the outcome. I don't want harm to come to anyone. That is
The
what
front
I'm
of a
saying.
house and brazenly plucks the colorful flowers adorning the property.
Why would you do such a
This incident
thing?
serves as a reminder that theft
Flower
can
thief.
strike even in the most unforeseen moments and peculiar
Yo, what a
places.
bitch.
Let it be a cautionary tale, urging us to stay vigilant and safeguard our homes and possessions.
Look at her. Yo, you flippin'.
In this alarming
Yes, sir.
clip, a homeowner becomes the target of a deceitful intruder disguised as a delivery person. Tragically, the intruder takes advantage of the homeowner's trust and forcefully enters the house, leading to a violent confrontation. This serves as a stark reminder to exercise caution and verify the legitimacy of unexpected visitors.
Well, I have a delivery kit. One for Jose and one for Lee. Right? All right, go ahead and get inside. Get inside. I'm serious. Get inside. Get down. Get down.
In this gripping clip,
Yo,
a
you
pizza
see.
delivery man becomes an unexpected...
That's the thing. And I've said this in so many videos, especially in America. People are so like, because I don't know if that's high crime areas or whatever, but if it's not, it's like so like almost like, yeah, we've got burglar bars on every single window. We've got a gate. We lock our gates. We lock the doors. You know what I'm saying? We like go through so much. Like if I had to move to America, there's no ways I'm not getting security gates and all that stuff. Maybe just because I'm so used to it. I don't know. And also, I'm definitely not opening my door for anyone. I don't care who the hell you are. What you want? I don't know you. Go away. Oh, you've got an iPhone? I don't like iPhone. I'm an Android.
hero during a high-speed chase.
Sorry, I forgot
When
to
the
go
suspect
large
tries
face
to
there,
flee
but
on foot,
anyways.
the courageous delivery driver intervenes and strategically trips the suspect, leading to his capture. This remarkable act showcases the unexpected bravery that can emerge in ordinary individuals when faced with extraordinary circumstances. Kudos to this pizza delivery hero for his quick thinking and actions. Stay tuned for more incredible moments like this, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for thrilling content.
Wait, did they show it again? Okay, good. I was about to say.
Whoa! You! high-speed train. That's a high-speed train. Oh my God. No.
Jeez, what a guy.
Come in. Come in.
You got me on video?
Ooh. You want to come to the house?
No, I'm good.
Here.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. Thank you. Ooh. You just shook this.
Well, a capella. Yo, check at him go. What a kick.
In this intense,
He pretended like he's not going to do
homeowner finds
anything.
himself face to face with danger as two robbers attempt to target him outside his own house. As he stands his ground, the homeowner fearlessly confronts the intruders and pulls out a gun, ready to protect himself and his property. The brazen actions of these criminals are met with a swift, determined response from the homeowner, highlighting the importance of being prepared and vigilant in the face of
Wow, you see, okay, I don't want to get into this, but I'm going to. Because why not? You know, there's always like this whole should guns be allowed because there's so many school shootings, whatever that's happening. Okay, and also you see now I'm going to get into even more. So there's obviously Steven Crowder. Okay, now Steven Crowder, obviously there's shit going on with him or whatever. I don't know if it's still happening, but there was that whole thing with his wife. I'm not getting into that. I'm getting into when he used to do the what's it called? Change My Mind segment, which was never a change my mind. It was just a, you know, this is my position, that's your position. So basically just a discussion. One of the things was guns. And it was quite a few years ago. But anyways, and one of the things that he said was what people don't realize is the amount that guns actually save them, or like how many like things like this it prevents. And you never see these things out there. But check at this. This guy was about to get robbed or taken into his home, beaten the crap out of who knows what was going to happen to him. Whipped out his gun, didn't shoot, didn't, you know, and this is where people that shoot are normally reckless and dangerous people, and most probably was going to do that anyways. So this guy just whipped out his gun, made sure, I mean, this guy's walking away all slowly. Other guy ran away because he shot himself. But, you know, he just made sure they left, and then that's it. Life was saved, potentially. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Crazy. Cool video. I'm liking this.
threats. In this alarming clip, we witness a distressing incident where two thieves target an unsuspecting man, robbing him of his gold ring right before our eyes. The audacity and speed of their actions leave us shocked and concerned about the safety of individuals in our communities. It serves as a stark reminder to stay vigilant and take precautions to protect our belongings. Let's use this video as a reminder.
Just
to
let me
prioritize
take it off,
personal
you
safety,
idiot.
report any suspicious activity, and support each other in creating a safer environment for all.
Crazy.
In the upcoming clip, an unashamed woman fearlessly steals a package from outside a home during the late hours of the night. Displaying no concern for the repercussions, she daringly exposes her face to the camera, leaving us utterly astonished by her audacious act.
She didn't even see the camera.
In this
Idiots.
gripping doorbell camera clip, we are confronted with a disturbing incident that showcases the audacity of certain individuals. The vigilant homeowner's camera captures a man wearing a hoodie trying to steal a bike that clearly doesn't belong to him. Witnessing such shameless behavior unfold before our eyes is both shocking and disheartening.
Get out of there! Get out of there!
Did he get away with the bike?
In the following clip, doorbell camera footage captures the moment a random man attempts to break into an unsuspecting homeowner's house in broad daylight. The question arises, why would anyone engage in such an act?
Yeah,
In a
is he
disturbing
like a...
incident captured
Whoa.
by a Ring camera, a woman named
Hello.
Judy Klein was seen wielding a hammer and using
Karen.
racial slurs, leading to her facing 3 felony charges.
Karen.
The unsettling encounter occurred in St. Louis in January 2022, and the homeowner's security footage recorded the incident.
She's a
The
Karen.
family involved expressed frustration with the alleged police response, stating that authorities only took action after the footage went viral on TikTok.
Okay, I need to stop again, okay? Firstly, the video clip, I need to, like, you know, before we, like, go too far. The clip before that, you never know, it could just be, like, an angry husband or boyfriend or, you know, whatever, trying to get into his house. You don't know because there's silence and he didn't show anything. This is definitely a Karen. Look at her. She even looks like one. Clear Karen. Oh, my gosh.
Fatima Suarez, a member of the targeted family, expressed relief that Klein is finally facing charges, but highlighted the troubling aspect of needing a video to gain attention. This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of documenting and reporting such acts and the need for consistent action against hate crimes.
I want to hear what she says.
It's my property.
Okay, then give me your full name.
What?
Go for it, bitch. Show me some illegal paperwork, because I know you didn't buy the house. You don't have enough money. Get off my property. Is Mike and Leslie your real estate agent?
What?
Do it, bitch. American Susan, angry at you assholes.
What?
In this final
Was she, like, talking to... I'm confused. What was she saying? Get off my property. Was it like a racial thing? Like, why are you in my country type of thing? Not even just the property. It was like, why are you in this country? Like, Chuck type of thing. It was. People messed up. Idiots.
clip,
Grow
an
up.
unsettling scene unfolds as a clown knocks on a door,
That's
holding
freaky.
a weapon and staring eerily at the doorbell camera.
You think it's a
The
real
unnerving
weapon?
footage captures the clown lurking around, instilling fear and panic in the hearts of the homeowners. It serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers posed by
Hello there.
lurking
I've got that
strangers
mask.
and underscores the significance of home security measures.
I've got some mask like that. Let me pause. Wait 2 seconds. Let me see. Okay, I'm back. Okay, as I said, I found it. Took a little bit of time. But let's check. A bit squished, but it counts. Okay, let's go back. Let's see how accurate I am.
In this final clip, an unsettling scene unfolds as a clown knocks on a door, holding a weapon and staring eerily at the doorbell camera. The unnerving footage captures the clown
just
lurking
like this
around,
guy.
instilling fear and panic in the hearts of the
It's exactly the same mask. That's so funny. My face is just weird. Correct it. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish off the video like this, guys. Because I'm this dude. That's what I'm saying. Do you think this knife that he's
serves
got
as a
is
stop-
real? Ha! I look just like you. Grr. These teeth look
stark
better though.
reminder of
These
the
look more
potential
real.
dangers posed by lurking strangers, and underscores the significance of
You
home
think
security
this mask
measures.
is made after this guy? If it is, I'm sorry. Oh, that was it. Okay. Not even listening anymore. Hello. And that was the video. Very good video. Nice and short, quick. Hope you like the mask. If you do, leave a thumbs up for the mask. I'm never wearing it again because I can't talk properly and it looks funny. Okay, now that I'm done straightening it off, I'm gonna say goodbye. Goodbye. See you in the next video. Okay, yes. Goodbye, people. See you.